The universe doesn't speak, it doesn't explain, it simply exists, silent and governed by invisible laws. For millennia, humanity tried to understand its origin through myths, symbols, and sacred stories. But in the 20th century, a new language began to decipher the cosmos: mathematics. And among those who dared to translate the universe into equations, one name stood above time itself: Stephen Hawking. From an early age, Hawking was fascinated with the biggest questions of all. Where did the universe come from? Did it have a beginning? Will it have an end? While many looked for answers in ancient traditions, he chose a different path: to understand the cosmos through universal natural laws. Modern science transformed the universe into a massive mathematical problem. Space and time were no longer just a passive backdrop. They became dynamic living entities. Hawking realized that to truly explain the universe, he had to unite two great pillars of physics: Einstein's theory of relativity, which describes the world of the large, and quantum mechanics, which governs the strange world of the small. The only problem? These two theories just didn't want to fit together. For centuries, the origin of the universe was a story told through supernatural narratives. But Hawking proposed something radical. What if the universe could arise spontaneously from the laws of physics alone? No need for a conscious creator or an external agent? In this view, time wouldn't need a starting point defined by a divine will. The cosmos could simply exist, following eternal mathematical rules. This led to the greatest ambition in modern physics: finding a single equation that could describe all the forces of nature, a theory of everything. For Hawking, this wasn't just a scientific goal. It was a philosophical one. A theory like this could finally answer the deepest question ever asked: why is the universe the way it is? By showing that the universe can explain itself, Hawking didn't aim to attack personal beliefs. He was establishing a clear boundary. Science describes how the universe works. Faith belongs to the individual. In science, there are no dogmas-only hypotheses, tests, and evidence. In the end, Stephen Hawking didn't leave us with final answers. He left us something far more powerful: a method. The courage to question everything, the discipline to calculate the answers, and the humility to stand in awe of the unknown. The universe remains silent, but thanks to him, we now know how to listen to it through the language of numbers. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, like this video, share it with anyone who loves science and philosophy, and subscribe to our channel to keep exploring the greatest mysteries of the universe.